Let's see how we can use the fact function in Google Sheets. We have the fact function Google Sheet open, and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial numbers from 1 to 10. Using the sequence function, with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1. In column B, we have the number n, which can be 0, positive integer, floating point number, or negative integer. In column C, we want n factorial, that is we want to calculate the factorial of the numbers given in column B. To do that, we will first head to the C2 cell, and we will use the fact function, which gives the factorial of a number. It takes value as an argument. An example is shown. For our case, we will write, equal to fact, value is 0, given in the B2 cell, so we will write B2. Let's close the bracket for the fact function. Let's autofill the data. We see that for n equal to 0, n factorial is 1, that is 0 factorial is 1. For n equal to 1, n factorial is 1. For n equal to 2, n factorial is 2. For n equal to 3, n factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. For n equal to 4, n factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 24. For n equal to 5, n factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 120. For n equal to 6, n factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 720. For n equal to 6.2, the fact function truncates the decimal part, so it takes this as 6, so n factorial is 720. For n equal to 6.8, the fact function truncates the decimal part, so it takes this as 6, so n factorial is 720. Factorial of -6 gives an error saying function fact parameter 1 value is negative, it should be positive or 0, so either 0 or any positive value can be the value argument for the fact function. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the fact function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.